Hello, it's me. I'm in the back. I'm the conductor. Woohoo! I'm the hobo. I've been robbed. I decided to switch trains. The Polar Express kicked me off. Trains are chasing each other all over the place. And I got more coaches. That's the best part. Woo! Who needs to be on the Polar Express? I am living the life on the Frisco. Be lucky that you can move at all. We're just moving around in circles though. Like I said, I bet that we can move at all. The Polar Express says, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, ding-a-ling, and see you in the next video. Time to go back to Sogo.